Hey guys! In today's video let's take a look at JBL BAR 300, a 5.0 channel compact all-in-one soundbar with MultiBeam and Dolby Atmos. If you are looking for a compact and powerful soundbar that can deliver immersive 3D surround sound and enhance your voice clarity, you might want to consider the Soundbar JBL BAR 300. This all-in-one soundbar has some impressive features that make it stand out from other models in its price range. The soundbar has four 46 by 90 mm racetrack drivers and two 0.75 inches tweeters that deliver 260 watts of total output power. It also has a built-in bass port that adds some punchy bass to the sound experience. It has a solid and sturdy build quality that feels durable and premium. The fabric grille is resistant to dust and fingerprints, and the plastic panel is smooth and glossy. The buttons are responsive and easy to press, and the LED indicators are clear and bright. The soundbar can be placed on a table or wall mounted using the included brackets. The Soundbar JBL BAR 300 delivers an impressive sound quality that can fill a medium-sized room with immersive 3D surround sound. The MultiBeam and Dolby Atmos technologies create a realistic and spacious soundstage that envelops you from all directions. You can hear sounds coming from above, behind, and beside you without the need for extra surround speakers. The soundbar also has PureVoice technology that optimizes voice clarity and ensures you never miss a word of dialogue, even when the surround effects are at their peak. You can adjust the dialogue level according to your preference. Looking at the connectivity options, the soundbar has one HDMI input, one optical input, and one HDMI ear port on the back, as well as a USB port for firmware updates. It also has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay, Alexa MRM, and Chromecast built in for wireless streaming and multi-room possibilities. On top of the bar you can find four physical buttons: power button, volume button, and source button. When it comes to the smart features offered by the bar, we get MultiBeam and Dolby Atmos technologies create a realistic and spacious soundstage that envelops you from all directions. You can hear sounds coming from above, behind, and beside you without the need for extra surround speakers. This is ideal for watching movies and TV shows with dynamic sound effects and atmospheres. PureVoice technology uses a unique algorithm to optimize voice clarity and ensure you never miss a word of dialogue, even when the surround effects are at their peak. You can adjust the dialogue level according to your preference. The soundbar has an audio calibration feature that ensures it delivers the best 3D surround effects for any room layout and interior. You can also customize the EQ and control all of your compatible speakers with the JBL One app. The soundbar has an HDMI ear connection that allows you to enjoy uncompressed Dolby Atmos surround sound through a single HDMI cable. The HDMI input connection also offers 4K video quality from a compatible video player or gaming console. The soundbar has a built-in bass port that adds some punchy bass to your sound experience, but it might not be enough for some bass lovers who prefer a deeper and more powerful bass response. You might want to add a separate subwoofer if you want more bass impact. Some of the competitors of the Soundbar JBL BAR 300 are Sonos Beam, Vizio V-Series V51H6, and Samsung HWQ800A. The JBL BAR 300 is a sleek and powerful soundbar that can transform your entertainment experience with its immersive 3D surround sound and voice enhancement technologies. It also offers multiple streaming options and easy sound calibration features that make it versatile and user-friendly. However, it lacks a separate subwoofer and has limited connectivity options. Overall, this soundbar is a great choice for anyone who wants a compact and impressive sound system for their home. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my two next videos. See you soon.